Hi, my name's Tom White and I'm from Vectorworks. We're predominantly a CAD-based company. We've been around since 1986 and we're here at ISE this year to talk about our relatively new product, ConnectCAD. ConnectCAD enables our customers to draw complex signal flow diagrams and schematic devices. It also features huge amounts of automation. So for example, there's a whole bunch of really useful automated features such as creating devices from equipment lists that will just generate the objects automatically. Just bear with me a second and I will switch this through. Let's go, it's typical, isn't it? Let's come to this. So yeah, so I've already generated this list on here, but automatic generation of devices. Devices can also be customized, so you can add custom information such as IP addresses, logins, basically there is an unlimited amount of custom fields that can be used. You can also customize the device, adding your own graphics, etc. And the devices themselves can also be used in conjunction with adapter objects. So it's another new feature this year. We've added the adapter tool. And these adapters can be counted into bills of materials and equipment lists, etc. And the adapter objects themselves, so not only can we draw adapters on the design layer, but we also have a 3D rack tool where it's completely possible to assign the adapter objects to their real equipment items, as you can see in this image here. We also have, once your schematic's complete, we have a whole suite of error checking tools, so you can check the drawing for any errors, any naming convention issues, any connector types which aren't actually compatible, so it will cross-reference all of that information. We also have a feature called data visualization, which basically enables you to color objects in based on any specific data that's pertaining to them. So in this case, these devices understand what room they're in, so it's going to show you that information. Other new features this year include a custom panel builder tool, which looks at the schematic and enables the users to design custom panels with cutouts for custom panel creation. And these panels can also be drawn in the schematic view, and they sync their labels to the panel tool. And again, we can also assign them to a 3D object in the 3D model. So the key thing about Vectorworks here in ConnectCAD is that you are drawing the schematic, but you're also drawing the room at the same time, and the objects in the room understand exactly where they are in the schematic, which is incredibly useful, syncing data between those two areas. So yeah, to give you an example, here is our layout tool here, and I can choose a piece of equipment in a rack, and I can select its corresponding schematic device, so it syncs between the two. Other new features includes the ConnectCAD report share. This is a great feature. This enables people actually on-site installing the equipment. It enables them to have live access to the Vectorworks file. So as soon as changes are made, they can be pushed to all the engineers, and it uses either Apple iOS or Android devices, and it uses our Vectorworks cloud services. Other things that are new this year is the Spotlight Inventory tool, which basically takes a completed 3D model with all the speakers, lights, truss objects, maybe projectors, maybe cameras, and it enables people to compile really friendly lists of that equipment for things like hire companies, etc. So here's our 3D model here with a whole bunch of equipment in it, and here are some of the worksheets that can be created from this. So it's giving you a bill of materials, a whole bunch of useful quantity information that you can use to then cost and quote for a specific job. And then the other thing we have is automated features for comparing cable lists and drawings. So not only will it look for errors in the schematic, but it will also look for updated patch information, and it will highlight for you places where stuff isn't correctly patched in relation to the spreadsheet. For more information, please visit our website at www.vectorworks.net. Thanks very much.